Everyone, hello, it's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you're going to hear more Ogbonge news when they come out from this our platform here. So thank you if you have subscribed here before. Thank you, my people. I see one video when Etinosa, what did they play? What did they worry you? What did they play for you? I don't understand. Hey, see Etinosa. Etinosa, you know the shame. You will be say you just come out for Instagram, begin to show your makeups, they show everything. Now you go still come out because you want popular, or you want popular, make them know you. See Etinosa. Now Etinosa go still come out. They talk about Halima. Say Halima Abubakar, will be a Lollywood actress. Say why she go he say where for CPK when he bring. He say where Halima for CPK when he bring it. You know where when she take get belly. In your shop say go to bring pikin, say she don't born pikin. But I say Etinosa. Now Etinosa what can say they talk about Halima say he born pikin. Say make it bring the evidence. Mona say Etinosa. Me don't understand you, Etinosa. Really, I don't understand you. Which one you dey? He? So Halima can't even go they bring evidence. Halima can't go they bring evidence. Make show am say he really get belle. He really born pikin. Me even surprised say Halima even go far. They want show Etinosa say see how it get belly, all those things. Halima, you even for my hand. How you go to bring evidence for Etinosa where be say he even they show he body, he show he make clothes for Instagram. They naked for this guy where they sing. Now she go still come out to talk about Halima. Hey Etinosa. Which one you dey? Which one you dey? The other day, I dey watch am for Instagram. I tell one guy say make the guy come show some guys some guys they supposed to use K to wipe una yash. I tell us I can't tell this boy say make it naked, say he want see a body. So make the boy twist the waist for Instagram. This boy can't really pull a cloth for video, my sister, my people. This boy can't pull a cloth, he can't begin the twist the waist for Etinosa. Etinosa can't they laugh. The boy don't know say I said one guy they tell her say you are a disgrace to men. This boy can't they shake his waist for video. Some boys, what he guess supposed to they do anyway. That's why I tell us I do what it popular. So you still do one, now truth, no say tell us I do one because that take popular. And so you now you want to do one, maybe take popular too. Abi, that is it. See, when I just see the video when Etinosa they tell Halima say, you don't believe say that he born the pikin. If you want really believe. Make it bring the pikin come out. He want see him. You go bring the pikin out. He go see him. He go bring the evidence. We take get the belly. Now he go take believe. Halima can't really go bring evidence for Etinosa. Etinosa when naked, take popular. Or because she want me to notice her. Now Etinosa go to do crazy things. Go to show a body. Then they come begin they know Etinosa for everywhere. When I say Etinosa. You know, say these days here they really surprise. Why be say if people want just popular, they'll begin to go to show their body. Now what's it called they read the rain now? See that woman now, that Kenyan woman. That one just use stuff they do 3 men at the same time. That one take popular. You could just carry 3 men at the same time. Now that one they even book her down. So now that one come the rain now. Because they really see them. If they do better thing, people don't follow you. Now when you go to do all those things when not good, then people will come they run, they follow you. Why this world? Why it really be like that? Why? Or maybe they want to bring you down. People come help you share them. People come help you share the video. They will come share and follow everywhere because they want to bring you down. That one, like people just like. They don't they like where good, where people say you dey talk good thing, you dey do good things. No, now where they spoil, where they scatter. That people they like. I don't understand. Etinosa just pull him. Etinosa, the shame, really. Etinosa just pull. I said, if you see that, many of you will see that, see the video that time now. Where Etinosa say pull the cloth for Instagram. Begin they pull up. They say one shoulder. Don't forget this guy where they sing, where they pull the cloth for. Say one. That one tell and say, Etinosa, are you sure? He said, yes. He go pull. I mean, not worry. Etinosa pull all the cloth. Etinosa, and you from those states. I don't even know they do like this. This is gonna surprise me. They see what you can't go they do Etinosa. Now you go still come out. They tell say Alima wait for CPK when he bring. You not believe him. Like seriously? Now you now go visit that. Now you go fit talk that kind of thing. Say Alima wait for CPK. Wait for CPK where you bring. Now you want to talk him. Even though he not show you the belly, what it concern you? What it concern you? You help, Etinosa. Who you help? Now you want Alema may come bring evidence. You will need care to show your makers for everywhere. Now you are going to tell Alema make how you say get belly. In surprise say he bring picky. You know see I want to say he get belly. Must you see her? When they pass the same place, when they pass the same area. When you come know say she get a belly, you not gonna feel no because you always the day Instagram every day. Say me that boy pull that one currently pull he cloth. He can't make bosses. If you see what this boy can they do, this boy can they twist the waist. This boy can they dance. You can't they dance great dance for them. You can't they twist sound. You know see. This boy, supposing that boy and my brother, the kind slap when I will give him. He can't they twist time. The I can't they say, a correct boy. You can't wear one bossers. You can't use that one take command. The I can't tell her say that one they smell. He said the bossers not your fine. He said the bossers when they wear. This boy can't go pull like can't go wear another one. Can't they twist waist for Etinosa. Like seriously? Like seriously? Some of our boys how can Etinosa will be say he show he make he show am for everywhere. Now Etinosa go see tell person make he show he bosses for them. He want see him. The boy really they pull the cloth they show Etinosa. Who Etinosa help? Some boys sha. If that kind of boy say na my boyfriend, as I see her for that Instagram, say they do that thing. If he come my life say I see him, the kind of slap what I go give him, not go believe it. Even I see what this boy do, come begin they dance, they show his body for Etinosa. Anyway, now what Etinosa do with a popular sha? I'm not surprised. What he do with a popular? See that woman, that Kenyan woman when I first talk about that day. I hear say the woman don't popular now. The whole world wants to see the woman because they want to go do their own. Una they forget what they say. This woman no use. You know wear raincoat for those boys John Thomas. She no wear raincoat, She do one raw bone to bone. That she do. Una they forget. Before that kind of woman will do that kind of thing, una no know wetin make her dey do am. And that woman get one ring. If you notice am, get one ring where did that woman hand. Where that woman now they use for those boys that day. They use them for their John Thomas. They don't know. You get with that woman, they use that thing they do. That ring, it means something. If it be said that they use until they take their lock. If they use until they take something from there, nobody know. If it be said those boys now their life don't go better again. Their life not go better again. They will come turn maybe their destiny they don't take them from them. They are maybe there's until they take luck from people who don't know because what me here they say they get money and the husband know How can somebody husband go know say what his wife they do? He go still leave am, and people go still go the book. And that is Africa people. Una own, it dey una body really. How can a woman wey get husband go the jogodo to me at the same time? Una even know. You go see, una see the book. They say if you go the woman Facebook, people they book the woman down. They want go do their own. And una they forget one thing. This woman, what they use this thing they do na no no. That ring where did that woman? If you now look that video well, something that woman, you get what that woman they do. You get what that woman they do one and one. So more be careful our boys. Many people don't go they book the woman now. They want know the woman now. They want know the woman overnight. They want know the woman. Wanna take them easy. Oh, I pity for our boys. I pity for some boys. You're surprised now those boys now. When they show that day, now those are not they never born. Or some go maybe that man now that one fit get wife now. They do see what they do. Eh? I don't understand. So our boys say, Mona 1 year, Mona take a easy. Now no. It's no sir. Now you now really come talk to for yeah. Maybe you day your lay, Maybe you just day your lay really. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember you want to only Lady J. Bye everybody. Bye.